Okay, so as promised, we'll be doing a weekly review of NQ and of gold, and I still need to post the stocks video of what I look at, and also I'll also put crypto. But until then, um, yeah. Uh, so this past week, starting from, because today we're 16, so starting from here. Monday, here's Monday, let's see. Okay, so so during Monday, honestly, the price action was good, and then Tuesday it was just a little bit choppy, or was it Wednesday? I think it was Wednesday. Yeah. What's it called? So on the week, the weekly review, we'll be doing a weekly review. On the week, I am up. Okay, so on the week I am up 2.6 on the week with one losing day, and honestly I think it was only one loss, like one lost trade. This doesn't really count because I entered shorts instead of longs. And then here, that's the only day that I lost. Yeah, that's the only day that I lost. On the express, same thing over here because I passed it later, so it's basically the same thing, 2 days. So we're up on this express 2.6 and total 1.6. Manager, before I pay it, I'll take it out, I think on Friday or whatever. So what I want to see coming into this week, honestly I was expecting all-time highs, but we clearly didn't get it. So I'm expecting all-time highs this time, especially with the US being at all-time highs, and it's actually gonna break the 8,000s, I think. Like this is day, I think it's gonna break the 8,000 if it stays bullish. There's no reason for us to come back down. So yeah. Um, I'm expecting us maybe. So as I was saying, I'm expecting us to reach all-time highs. Maybe not all-time highs, but at least somewhere in between this range, like maybe like 3,600 or something, or we're gonna have a crazy pump and then just go like something similar to this. Literally, like if you see, we open over here. Yeah, here we had like some day and then we pumped up, and even here, same thing. So it's either we get something like this or we get something like it's gonna be a slow peak and then next week it's gonna go up. Um, there's no reason for us to come back down, honestly. Like there's nothing down there for us to go and do. Maybe come down into this gap, maybe into this weekly gap, but honestly depends. Um, and yeah, so it all depends on this gap. If this gap holds, then I think that we'll be seeing, like, we'll be bullish until here, which I really think that's possible. We're not far off from it, because like this week, one second, because if you see this week, it opened over here, so, and then from here until here, it was 700 ticks, 700 ticks, 700 points, sorry. Says 700 points. So assuming basically the same logic, this is easily, especially because each week, if you guys see, like just in general here, because if you guys see from here till here, see, that's 1.7, and then here 600. So, and then even here, let us see, it's just logic over here, because look, from here till here. So yeah, if we get something like this, we're going to all-time highs. There's no doubt in my mind. I think all-time highs is just a matter of time. I think we're getting it sooner or later, either this week or next week, 100%. And regarding gold, so regarding gold, honestly, I think it's bullish. I think Monday's just gonna take us to here, and then after that we're gonna see, like, I think at least from, let's say, this range, from, like, let's say this range till here, I think we're gonna see the 50% of it, at least the 50% of it. So something at 4678, I think. And if we see, it didn't move much, like, it didn't move much last week compared to the weeks before, because this is Monday, right? This is Monday. So it, yeah, I mean, it's moved, but like compared to here, compared to something over here, this is Monday. Yeah. So I think, but I don't think it's gonna happen now. I think maybe 2 weeks or so, but still bullish. Still looking bullish. Honestly, bullish on everything, on gold, on Nasdaq. Especially this week we have a FOMC, and I think that that's gonna be our only news this entire week. So it's gonna be a tough week, unless we get some crazy pump, especially with what's happening around the world and with what's happening in the US. I think that it's either gonna take us to the upside, or it's gonna be a consolidating week until Thursday, and then after Thursday it's gonna be good. And regarding crypto, um, I'll be posting a video of it with the stocks, cause yeah, I don't have anything which is good, but still, it's a bit funny. Yeah, still same thing with the Dow. I think we're gonna see bullish bullish price action. And yeah, regarding this, I don't really look at it, so I'm not gonna act as if I know, because I don't really look at it. But looking at it regarding this, I would maybe see something like this on the 50%, and then something to the downside until until this low. But I'm not an expert in it, so I really have no idea. Anyways, so this is the weekly review. Nasdaq still bullish. There's no reason to be bearish until it gives us, like, similar to here. Like, if you guys see similar to here, where, like, the price action, how it became, what's it called, like if you see, we started, especially over here, started going this brings the downside, and then we get this fair value gap, then continue the downside, and then here, and then continue the downside, and then after that, from here, after that, and when we started, like, even above this high over here, it's bullish price action. So if we actually just bought over here after this over here and held, there's one guy, I'm not sure what that is, he's holding to all-time highs, and I think it's gonna happen soon. So yeah, that's my weekly review, and as always, check out the TikTok, and yeah, have a good day.